the beat.
We just arrived to our Airbnb. It was a 4-hour drive, but this is our Airbnb. This is the outside, and obviously it's raining, pouring rain. This is our cute little place. There's Susana. It's a frog farm, but oh my god, is that a lizard? Oh my god, we have a friend. It's a gecko. How cute. All right, but this is our little place. Very one with nature. I like the shower. We like the shower the most. The shower is just like open concept they got going on. Ah. That's so cute. We're going on an adventure to the frog pond. There's the frog pond. And if we're gonna see any frogs, I might scream. We don't see any frogs. We hear one, or Susie heard one. I don't know if they're like in the water. I know.
I was expecting them to be like everywhere.
Yeah, like a bunch of them just everywhere. But like, do frogs hang out like that? Like, do they just like hang out in packs? I don't know. That was all good. Look at the mashed potatoes.
Why does this look like a Capital Grill meal?
So we're trying to look for the frogs. Heard the frogs in there somewhere. No, but definitely frogs in here. Finished with the waterfall, and it's all downhill. 15 minutes downstairs. Obviously on the way back, it's 15 minutes going up, basically Stairmaster, and this is all sweat. Susie's not having it at all. She ran away when she saw I started vlogging, but it's fucking hot. And yeah, now we're on our way. There's Susie. Now we're on our way to the hot spring, where we can hopefully fucking relax. Because it's so hot. You don't want to be part of the vlog, Susie? I know. Oh, I'm dying. I'm literally drenched in sweat. Yeah, super fun. At a thermal hot spring. Tobacón. So me and Susie were taking pictures, and my phone completely fell in the water, and all I'm doing, I yell at Susie, I like submerge my head underwater. I literally, Susie thought like the phone was gonna like travel downstream, basically. I thought it was gone. Yeah, so I'm not gonna be recording anymore. We're just gonna go relax. Maybe I'll record when we get a drink and not by the volcanic.
Not propping it up anymore.
Oh my god. Anyways, yeah, go me. There's the volcano. Right there. Volcano arenal. I'm happy to go out this way. We're gonna die. I know. I just want to get the lightning because there's been a lot of lightning and it's been lighting up the entire sky. So we're gonna wait outside until that happens. Costa Rica. Alright, so last night we're in Fortuna. It started raining and pouring. We're just eating these nachos and sandwich. Yeah, there's nothing much to it, right? We're gonna wake up tomorrow. We're gonna try to get our COVID test in. Oh my god, it's so good. I'll see you in the morning. Hello, we are at the airport. We just purchased a lot of stuff. You know when like tourists, Susie said like when tourists go and they purchase a lot of stuff. Susie, do you want to show them the bag? It's coffee, chocolate, and sweaters. We are done with our trip. We're about to board our flight. Yeah, we did it. Yay! Costa Rica 2022. All right, start the recap. Bye.